Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing honeymee.com. So as you can see, we have it here opened up on malware tips already, and see that they are a total scam. So as you can see, if you don't know what they are, malware tips goes over them. So as you can see, one such scam that has recently emerged is honeymee.com. This shady website promises users easy money just for sharing referral links. But does honeymee.com really pay out like it claims, or is the whole thing an elaborate hoax to con unsuspecting victims? So as you can see, outrageous payout promises. They have emphasis on aggressive promotion, no verifiable company information, withdrawal difficulties, and rebranding. And the list goes on right here. So as you can see, how the honeymee scam works: enticing registration page, fake dashboard display earnings, endless referral requests to prevent withdrawals, fake verification fees, and rebranding with the new domain. So yeah, so please guys, do not enter in any information for Honeymee. They're very clearly a scam. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.